shit.
Hey,
What's
the
up?
dinosaurs are still alive.
No.
For real? Where you heard that?
No, that's never exist.
No,
But
that's
you
not
should
real.
believe me. Let's go on the airplane.
No,
But
we're not.
I don't think so.
Absolutely not.
Do you think that's a good idea, Chuck?
Yeah,
Well,
believe me.
no.
I mean, bro, we are.
If he's true, fine.
Well, we are the last
Yay!
dinosaurs.
All right, let's go.
We're not dinosaurs, Red.
Oh man,
You
that
should
was
see
easy.
it.
What?
They don't exist. They still.
I
don't
need to
exist.
see. I need to see.
Ah!
It's okay, guys. So, what you think, Bomb? I need to talk with Bomb. Bomb, what you think about this crazy idea?
I'm in.
You're in? Oh, I guess it's everybody's in. Do you think we are the last birds? The last dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're
Anyway,
not
let's go.
dinosaurs, we're birds.
Let's go find those Jurassic birds then. Let's
They're still
go.
not real.
Everybody to their airplane, okay?
Yeah,
When you
they
get
are.
there.
Well, you're about to believe me. They
No.
still exist.
Oh my God, I
I
was
thought they were
sleeping.
exist.
Are we here?
Yes, we are.
This is the Lost Island?
Yes, we're here.
Okay.
You're about to see.
Let's go, everybody
the
get out of there.
dinosaurs.
Don't exist.
Everybody get out. What? What you guys, what's going on? What?
Red, you should look behind you.
Where? Uh-oh. It's this? It's a dinosaur. They're alive. It's a Jurassic Bird. How about it?
Oh, Jay, how do you know everything?
I'm Jack, and because I'm smart, I'm gonna name you Blue D.
Hey, I like Blue D. This is impressive. I
Should
never
sit on the
thought
seat.
dinosaurs were alive.
Welcome to the Lost Island.
Should I just say something?
Yeah, sure. What you want to say, Chuck?
I'm sitting.
You're what?
I'm sitting.
You're sitting?
Oh wait, this is supposed to be the necklace. And let me get it. Here, Mr. Dinosaur, have your necklace.
Welcome to the Lost World.
Are you the last dinosaur?
Is that the dinosaur?
Rah! Rah, 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 rah. Do you talk that language? Rah!
Chuck, you found the wrong way. Let me teach you.
I'm coughing. Oh
Red.
Brett, are you
my
kidding?
God. Yo,
What?
so where are your friends? Are you the last one?
Mm-hmm.
No friends?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to be our friends?
Mm-hmm.
And protect us?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so, just in case that Green, do you know who King Green the pig is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Boing.
So, will you protect us when he
Boing.
comes out?
He doesn't, he's not.
I am King Green the pig.
Green Green the
Oh,
Oh!
King Green the pig.
Wait, look.
What?
Yup. I'm practicing.
King Green the pig.
No.
Oh. Oh. Get out of here. Oh.
Wait, you say
Hey, Blue D, why you didn't help us? You did nothing.
He says he helped us.
You didn't help us for nothing.
Yes, he did.
Oh, King Green the pig was here.
Yes, he did.
He didn't even
Let
move
me
his
tell
tail.
you.
He didn't even move his tail, you lazy dinosaur. What? King Green the pig.
I saw it in my memory, and that's true.
What you saw?
That blue tea rescued us.
Well, guys, this is getting complicated.
What is that?
Oh, Dino Blue is there.
Oh, that.
Okay, so
Thanks for watching. Please
Anyway.
subscribe. If you want to see the dinosaurs, go
it's
to
all
the
over.
museum.
We hope you guys enjoyed this crazy story.
Bye.
I hope we were funny.
Yeah.
To the plane.
Okay, so comment how we can improve our videos, okay? And what you guys want to see. Let us know.
Let's
Subscribe.
go! And we're going to reach up over 7,000 subscribers.
Okay, so let
Make
us
sure
know.
to click the subscribe button to
What
see
kind of
what we
content?
planned.
Okay, what kind of content you guys want to see? Let us know, okay? See ya.
Go.